Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect ClickUp to n8n. So firstly, of course, navigate to your workflow, and from here let us add the first step with this plus icon, and in the search for nodes type in ClickUp. Here you go, it's on the very top, and in the trigger just choose which trigger you want, which automation you're going to be working with. I'm just going to choose this one. And in here, guys, you need to set up a ClickUp trigger under credentials to connect with. Click on this and add a new credential. So in here we have two methods, through the OAuth2 and through access token. But the first one, I suppose, is a little bit easier. So in here you just choose allowed HTTP request domains. You can choose specific, none, or all, and then just press on connect my account. So it's pretty simple here, guys. Just log in with your account like you would on ClickUp. I'm just going to use Google. Alright, from here just select the workspace. I have only one, and connect workspace. And as you can see, connection is successful and our ClickUp account is now connected to n8n. Enjoy your automations. If you enjoyed the video and it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.